Fennel au gratin is a classic of Italian cuisine, ideal for enriching meals with a touch of lightness and flavor. The golden and crispy gratin pleasantly contrasts with the soft texture of the fennel, highlighted by a layer of béchamel and Parmesan cheese. This dish is perfect for any season and lends itself to numerous variations and customizations, always respecting the simplicity and goodness of the ingredients. Ingredients: 4 medium fennel bulbs, 500 milliliters of bechamel sauce, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, nutmeg, optional. Preparation: start by cleaning the fennel. Remove the tougher outer leaves and cut off the lower part of the stem. Wash them thoroughly under running water. Cut the fennel in half and then into quarters, then slice them thinly. Try to maintain a uniform thickness for even cooking. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook the fennel for 8 to 10 minutes until they are tender but still firm. Drain and let cool slightly. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the bechamel with a pinch of grated nutmeg, if desired, adding a pinch of salt and pepper. Lightly grease a baking dish with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and arrange the cooked fennel in an even layer. Pour the bechamel over the fennel, spreading it evenly with a spatula or spoon until they are well covered. Sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs to create a crispy gratin. Finally, drizzle with the remaining 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to help brown the surface. Bake the dish for 20 to 25 minutes until the surface is golden and crispy. If necessary, turn on the grill for the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking. Remove the dish from the oven and let the fennel rest for a few minutes before serving. This will allow the flavors to blend and the temperatures to even out. Curiosities: to further enrich the dish, you can add diced cooked ham between the fennel or use other types of cheese, such as pecorino or gruyere, instead of Parmesan. If you prefer a more aromatic touch, you can also add a bit of fresh thyme or rosemary to the bechamel.